Alright guys, this is Justin Nichols. It's November 3rd, 2011. This video lesson is going to be on booking profits. This is a live video lesson here. As you can see over here on the right, okay, first off, this trade, the stock symbol is SMP. It's a momentum trade that was posted on the blog, I believe October 30th or 31st. And in 3 days we're up 16% on the position. And although that's a great return in 3 days, it's a stellar return, we don't want to hang on to it too long because that's just a lot of momentum. Could it keep going? Absolutely. But we want to protect those profits. So for the sake of this video lesson, I'm going to exit this position and lock in a good return. Now this blue line you see here, this is a moving average that we're using. It's the 40 moving average. There's no magical reason for using that. We just noticed that yesterday the 40 moving average, simple moving average, acted as support the previous day, whereas now it's, as you can see, it's acting as resistance. Once it broke through it, it has continued to fail, breaking above it. And as you can see here, the stock keeps bouncing off of this trend line that I've drawn. This is a bullish trend line, but the trend is starting to break. As you can see, it tested it once, rallied, and now it's tested it 1, 2, 3, 4 times, getting ready to break down. So for the very short term, this is a 5-minute, 2-day chart. I went ahead, this red line here is my sell stop. This is my profit protector, I call it. I entered way down here in this green shaded area. This represents my entry point. So again, really good return. We want to protect all that because once this breaks, there's a lot of downside. Okay, there's no support over here. There is way back here, but not much. So we're going to go ahead and book these profits. I've got my sell stop. As you can see, it says inactive. I'm going to go down to my order screen that you can't see, and I'm going to activate it. And my exit price is going to be 1807. Now I set that I set that exit point, that stop point. As you can see here, whenever the stock pulls back and it bounces, that establishes intraday support. So the most current pullback intraday was right here. It dropped a little bit and now volume is fading, so things could get bad very quick. So I put a very tight stop on this at 1807. Order is being held and monitored, so we should be getting out here pretty shortly if the position does in fact continue. As you can see here, it just violated that trend line again. So I've only got about 5 minutes for this video. See, it just triggered. I don't know if you heard that, but it just triggered and now I'm out, and I just locked in about a 14.5% profit, 16% minus commission. So the trend line is violated. Again, the moving average now kind of accelerating down, as you can see, instead of just kind of flat here. It's gradually starting to really accelerate. No coincidence with volume dropping, and the only volume you see is heavy selling volume. And now the trend line is violated. So we've gotten out. We've been disciplined traders. We didn't hold on to this too long, and we locked in some profits. Thanks guys, and trade wisely.